Hello guys! So for today, sasagutin ko yung mga frequently asked questions about Symphony Homes. Ano po ba yung water provider for Symphony? As per admin, Manila Water po. And for the electric naman, it's Delco 2. Meron po bang mga hidden charges? For Symphony Homes, meron lang tayong standard na other charges, which is for water connection, documentary stamp, and title transfer. Kasi pagkatapos yung mabayaran yung mortgage nyo, si SM na po ang maglalakad for the title transfer ng property. If nasa abroad po kayo, you may assign a attorney in fact. So, ang document na kakailanganin doon is the special power of attorney na form, which is ipoprovide naman po namin sa inyo. So, kailangan yung ipanotaryo yun para kahit nasa abroad kayo, meron po kayong representative here in the Philippines to sign the contract on behalf of you. Pero, pwede din naman na kayo mismo ang pipirma sa mga kontrata. For the reservation agreements, purely online lahat yung reservation forms natin. But for the contract to sell, yun lang naman yung kailangan na wet signature. And i-deliver yon either sa permanent address mo here in the Philippines or pwede mo siyang ipa-deliver sa address mo abroad. Pero if abroad, kailangan mo siyang ipa-consularize. And if signed naman here sa Philippine soil, kailangan mo mag-provide na boarding pass tapos stamp na nag-entry ka here sa Philippines.